In this video, I wanted to share a traditional bath powder recipe for kids that we regularly make at home. Bath powder recipes vary slightly from home to home, but the base ingredients usually remain the same. For kids, just using bath powder regularly alone is enough to keep the skin blemish free. It also improves skin complexion really well. Some kids might be prone to skin problems due to hereditary reasons, and using bath powder regularly will greatly help prevent it. One of the biggest skin problems kids face is scarring, as they get hurt a lot while playing. Since this bath powder has both skin lightening and antibacterial properties, it helps both treat the infection along with preventing scarring to a great extent. Traditionally, we don't use turmeric powder for boy babies. This is because of the belief that turmeric stunts facial hair growth. But as far as I've researched, ingredients like turmeric or korekilangu that we use for natural hair removal does not have any magical hair removal properties. But they're mild abrasives, and when we use them daily in bath powders, they help weaken existing hair. As baby's hair is very fine, they weaken the hair very quickly, and they also stunt new hair growth. But this effect will vary from baby to baby, depending on the coarseness of the hair. This bath powder also prevents the skin from sun damage. The first ingredient we need for the bath powder is avarampu. Its botanical name is Senna auriculata. It's a common belief in Tamil Nadu that using avarampu for skincare will make our skin glow, which is very true in my opinion. Avarampu has amazing skincare benefits, from treating skin infections to fading scars. We have a small river flowing at the back of our farm, and we have plenty of avarampu plants growing there. You can see the riverbed at the back in this clip. Since we had a very severe drought the last 2 years, the river is almost dry now. I love to walk here and especially love to look at avarampu daily. We get dried avarampu in almost all herb shops in India. But if you don't have access to both fresh and dried avarampu, you can buy avarampu powder that is easily available online. The second ingredient we need for the bath powder is green gram dal. Green gram dal powder is an amazing cleanser, and we call the powder pasipairu maavu in Tamil. We use it in almost all the bath powder recipes. It's very gentle on the skin. We get ground green gram dal powder in almost all the departmental stores. If you don't get the powder, you can make your own by sun-drying green gram dal till crisp and powdering it in a dry mixer. Don't forget to sieve the mixture before using. The next ingredient we need is wild turmeric, also called as kasturi manjal. Kasturi turmeric is a fragrant variety of turmeric with amazing skin benefits. If you're a regular follower of Wild Turmeric channel, you must by now know how much I love kasturi turmeric. I even named the channel Wild Turmeric. It treats all skin problems, is very fragrant, and also does not stain the skin like normal turmeric. We get organic kasturi turmeric powder in all the departmental shops in India. You can also order it online. The next ingredient we need is white turmeric. The botanical name of white turmeric is Curcuma geodaria, and it is commonly called geodari. In Tamil, it is called pulangilangu. It smells almost like turmeric and is an amazing antiseptic and an antioxidant. Usually, it is cut into small pieces, dried, and sold in the markets. We also get white turmeric powder too. I'll leave the online links for buying all these powders in the description box below. The final ingredient we need is vetiver root. Vetiver is a grass, and the root is famously used for making syrups, and it is called kus root in Hindi. It's a wonderful body coolant, and it helps prevent skin infections like prickly heat and boils during summer. We get both the dried root and dried root powder. Take a small bunch of vetiver root. Now add in 2 parts green gram dal to it. Add in half part white turmeric. Add in 1 part wild turmeric. Finally, add in 2 parts of avarampu. Now sun-dry all these ingredients till crisp and powder in a dry mixer and then sieve. We usually make a large batch during hot summers and powder it in the local mill. I have used the whole ingredients in this recipe as I wanted to show how each ingredient looks like. But you can use the same recipe using dried powders too. At first, it might seem a hassle to buy all these powders separately, but trust me, it's so worth it, considering how effective this powder is. Once you start seeing how effective it is, you'll never stop using it. This powder is also very fragrant. To use, mix the powder either with water, rice water, homemade rose water, or even with milk or yogurt during winters, and use it instead of soap. I was using this powder regularly for my son. For boy babies, you can decrease the quantity of kasturi turmeric to half part and increase the green gram dal to 2.5 parts. This is the base recipe. You can also add in dried herbs like tulsi, neem, etc. Store this in an airtight box, away from moisture, and use it daily for your kids. This powder can be used by adults too. If stored in the refrigerator, it will last well for months together. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.